Hello, VJ. Okay, I have done some things that I think will solve the problem. I hope that it will. Sometimes PHP-FPM makes logging more difficult. So I have edited PHP-FPM and I've told it to log all its errors to that same site's error log and commented out their default or what was previously set. So they'll now be placed in the same place that Nginx is logging. You see in Nginx log files, I also have logs being written to site's error. I have also looked within the application itself. If we look there and we look at resources, I've commented out their default location and I pointed it to the same file. And I've also commented out your area here in this file. I know you were just trying to make it easier, but for now I want to point that to this file also to see what we get. Now I'm going to suggest, to make things stand out, that we preface it with lean time. Let me give you an example of this. If you preface it with that, now we can do a tail. Okay, normally we're going to see everything, right? But if we grep that with this, now we're only going to see those things that are lean time. So I'm going to come over here to the application, reload the page, and you can see we're now seeing some errors down there. Now this here, let me show you where that comes from. In the public index.php, which is where the application starts, because htaccess redirects it to the public folder, right? So we're going to look in here, index, and you see I put at the beginning error log, error log. So we know that log is working. Now we'll tail that again. All right. I'm going to log out. We get our information there. I'm going to log in. We get our information there. Now I'm not logging in with LDAP right now. I'm just testing to make sure the log file is working. Now one more thing you can do to make it easier is put a /n after. Of course they have to be fully quoted, not single quotes, or that won't work. And now log first name last. So I'm guessing this is not returning anything, but anyway. All right, so now we have lean time in front of all of those. I'm going to grep lean time from that same log file. All right, as an LDAP user. And there we go. There's the log files that you're looking for. So the problem was probably PHP-FPM. They're always make it a little tricky for logging, and now I pointed them all to the same place. And if you put the word lean time in front of it, or whatever other word you want to use, you can then grep for it and make sure you get what you're looking for. Thanks a lot, VJ. Bye-bye.